This is a gorgeous Duchess of Oldenburg.
On the bag.
What's cool about the bag is, again, you don't want to be dumping apples, so you just put it here and lift. It's a bottom on the bag like that.
That's pretty slick. Jim, you're doing a good job up there.
Thanks.
Keep up the good work. Waiting flat.
Yeah. I might end up motorizing it. But we ordered it during the pandemic, and we had to wait till after apple season.
Here we go. Here's the harvest.
Okay, now you pivot the grinder out of the way.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
And you drop the... Now we gotta get this perfect.
That good?
That's pretty good. And let me go ahead and get this. So this is a ratcheting thing. So all it is a hole with a... I think it's an ingenious design, so that every time it skips past one of those holes, it won't bop back.
There you go. You can't just hook the mule up here?
You know, here we are again. Are we gonna do it fast or are we gonna do it slow? This is slow food.
Alright, tell me when we're there. You can get it. That's probably good, right?
Yeah.
I see how that works now.
The jug underneath?
Yeah. Yep.
Primitive technology.
Yeah, really simple technology. Starting to flow.
Here comes the good stuff.
Now.
You know the ratio? You get about a gallon per?
I think it depends on your apples.
So even no matter how much you fill it, some apples just giving you more juice than others.
Yeah, they'll be juicier apples. There's got to be at least a gallon in there now. That's a 7-gallon container.
Nice. What? Fresh pressed apple juice. Jim? Cheers.
Ta-da! First of the year. They're overly sweet.
Fresh pressed juice. This is definitely a first for me.
Great flavor.
Yeah. Could use a little more. There's a background sweetness though.
It's good.
Yeah.
I dig.
I like that tanginess. Yeah,
All right, so that was pretty cool. We picked them off the tree, we brought them back here and we pressed them and we drank them as apple juice. So this Maine trip has been exciting to say the least. I think I've gotten you guys like at least a dozen videos, so stay tuned. All kinds of cool stuff coming from foraging to cutting grass to baling hay to growing vegetables. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Make sure you hit that bell to stay notified, and most importantly, get out there and pound dirt.